Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukua and this is Kukua's Inspiration. So I have something here I want to unbox with you all. I saw this mini tripod on Instagram. So I ordered for it and it's here now and I want us to unbox it together. Actually, this is my first time of using tripod. Yes, I've been using one, that is the mini one. But this one, I think this one is the standing one. So I bought it so that I'll be using it for my videos. This is it. I think it's tripod 330A. So let's see what is in here. It comes with a remote control. The tripod is packaged in this black bag. It's very cute. This bag, you can carry it anywhere you want to go. The moment you finish using it, you pack it back, put it in the bag, and you are off to wherever you want to go. It has this thing too. I don't know how it's called. I think that is what will hold the phone. Yes, because I don't have a camera yet, so I'll be using my phone to cover whatever video I want to make. Whoa, this is nice. It has like 3 or 4 screws that I have to tighten. And this handle makes it flexible. You can turn it anywhere. Like you turn it round, up, down, however you want to. Take every position that you want to take any video or picture. You can use this handle to rotate and take that picture or video. Like I said, this is what will take the phone. That is where I'll install my phone to take pictures or videos. And I don't know what it's called. Please pardon me, I'm not a tech person, so I don't know what it's called. But that is what the same thing is on my mini tripod. So I know that one. I know that is where you place your phone or camera. Yes, since I don't have a camera now, that is where I will fix my phone. I'm done with that. I've fixed everything, tighten all the screws, fix that one. So it's time for me to position my phone and start taking pictures and videos. Trying to on the Bluetooth and try the remote. So I tried playing around with the remote and it's working perfect. I took some pictures, videos, and everything is fine. I really love this tripod. Yes, this is my first time of owning a tripod. Although this one is not as quality as the ones most YouTubers have been using, but at least I have to try from somewhere. So I'm trying with this one. I'm sure by God's grace I'll get there where I'll buy the quality one and be using. So this is it. This is the end of this video. I really like, should I say like, I really love this tripod. It's long. Yes, it's long, just as I want. I'll try using this one for the meantime, like I said, till I get money to buy the quality one. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope this video helped you in one way or the other. At least it will inspire you so that if you want to buy any tripod, you can buy or start from somewhere. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.